Jefferson County attorney reaches a major milestone.
WDRB's Stefan Johnson tells us how Mike O'Connell will make history at midnight.
People ask me every time if I'm going to run again, am I going to do this or that, and I say, well, I don't know yet.
Jefferson County Attorney Mike O'Connell was first appointed to the office in 2008 by then Mayor Jerry Abramson and has been re-elected to the office 4 times since.
I was in 10, 14, 18, and 2022.
And Thursday, when the clock strikes midnight, he becomes the longest-serving county attorney in the history of the city. Over the years, O'Connell has had a lot of courtroom battles and accomplishments.
The opioid litigation, national opioid litigation, I encouraged Mayor Fisher at the time to get involved in that, and we, on behalf of Louisville Metro.
O'Connell pushed for Louisville to become one of the first cities in the country to sue opioid distributors, manufacturers, and pharmacies, which led to major settlements.
The state of Kentucky got about $850 million over the long period of 18 years, and I think Louisville Metro somewhere in there around $60 million.
O'Connell says some of the motivation was personal.
It was a horrible time to go through and for the family.
After losing his son Matt to a heroin overdose in 2014.
I would think of him frequently when you're doing that work, you know, and in a loving way, you know, hey, Matt, watch over me.
He's also been named County Attorney of the Year in Kentucky in 2017 and led the effort to have the Confederate monument near the University of Louisville removed.
That was awful for years and years and years. It should have been removed many years ago in front of the city's university and right near the entrance.
From accomplishments to proud moments.
The proudest moment from, an individual and a father and a family was when my daughter Annie, who became a Jefferson Circuit Court, swore me in on my most recent term.
O'Connell says there aren't many regrets, but shares what saddened him about the recent high-profile case involving the world's top golfer, Scottie Scheffler. After receiving dozens of calls, it was the call he didn't get that hurt the most.
I never heard one person call this office and discuss anything about the man that died out there on that roadway about 200 feet from where this happened. Not one.
Joe Lovell is director of child support, one of several divisions that report to O'Connell, and says Mike expects a lot from his staff.
Mike is a person of compassion. He's a gentleman's gentleman. And in terms of what he has done for the county attorney's office, at least from where I sit, has been unprecedented.
On the walls of his office hangs pictures of 2 of O'Connell's heroes, Frederick Douglass and Abraham Lincoln. Men, he says, possess the 3 qualities he demands from his staff.
All 3 of them are in the rules of professional conduct in this state. Competence, diligence, and integrity.
Stefan Johnson reporting this afternoon.